So guys, finally today is the final day of the year 2025. And before I will stop with my work for this year, I want to make this little video where I want to wish you all the best in the upcoming year 2026. So guys, I wish you all the best and some big successes in the year 2026. But of course, I also need to say some big thank you to all the people which are watching my videos, to all the subscribers, and to the people which they support me. So this means really a lot to me. And then some special thank you also goes to the Patreon supporters and the YouTube members. These guys are also really super nice because they support me with some monthly donations, which actually helps me a lot. And for the last, I also need to say some thank you to the Rigol and the Neware company because they support me with some equipment, which is also super nice. And just for information, the Rigol company makes all sorts of equipment like power supplies, multimeters and so on. And the Neware company makes all sorts of battery testers, which are really nice. And in case that you search for some really good battery tester, power supply or multimeter, then all the links will be in the video description. And for the finish, I also need to say some words for the future, because in the year 2026 I want to spend a little bit more time, and I also want to make a little bit more work on the YouTube itself, because I want that we will grow even further. And right now I have some list or to-do list where I have at least 40 video ideas which I want to realize in the upcoming year. And beside of the YouTube, I also want to continue my work on my Hyperflow battery project. So here I have two cells which are actually this simplified version of my Hyperflow battery. Because in the end I want to make some business based on the Hyperflow battery technology. And for the year 2026 I plan to escalate the Hyperflow battery project to the next level. You can also visit my website, which is krex.net. Once again, I need to say some really big thank you to everyone. And yeah, so Happy New Year, and we see us next year. Bye.